Kisses! Gumising ka na, umaga na. Umulan sa labas. May pasok pa ba kayo?
Waving goodbye with an absent-minded smile. I watch her go with a surge of that well-known sadness, and I have to sit down for a while. The feeling that I'm
Dahil sa hanging habagat na pinalalakas ng bagyong Hana, nagkansela na.
Walang pasok.
Really
Pinagluto ka ng paborito mo si Enjoy, ha? Ubusin mo. Thank you, Nay.
I'm glad whenever I can share her laughter, that funny little girl. Slipping through my fingers all the time, I try to capture every minute.
Ano yun? Pabili pong mikmik. Ilan? Mikmik po. Sa isa lang. Wait lang. May nakalaban.
Do I really see what's in my mind each time I think
Ikaw, ilan sa'yo? Isa rin po.
she keeps on growing
Thank you po.
through my fingers all the time.
Mga basura nyo, ha? Ganyan na naman tapon, ha? Throw ko na. Throw.
Her and me at the breakfast table, barely awake. I let precious time go by. Then when she's gone, there's that old melancholy feeling and a sense of guilt I can't deny. What happened to our wonderful adventures? The places I had planned for us to go. Well, some of that we did, but most we didn't. And why, I just don't know. Slipping through my fingers all the time, I try to capture every minute, the feeling in it. Slipping through my fingers all the time. Do I really see what's in her mind each time I think I'm close to knowing?
Hoy, ang mga halaman ko!
She keeps on growing, slipping through my fingers all the time. Sometimes I wish that I could raise a picture.
Hindi ko alam. Wala na isip ko. Masok kayo doon. Anong ginagawa niyo dito? Ay, panaginip lang pala.